on New Jerusalem, the names of the 12 tribes is on the gate. Judah has to go through the gate that says Judah. Benjamin has to go through the gate that says Benjamin. Levi can only go through Levi's gate. Ephraim only through Ephraim's gate. There's no gate that's Presbyterian. There's no gate that says Catholic. No gate that says Baptist. You've been lied to by the white man. You're not getting into the kingdom with those lies. Oh, Jesus, I'm a Presbyterian. Let me in. No, I'm not looking for you. I'm looking for the 12 tribes of Israel.
Yep.
You understand that? Go ahead and translate that.
Okay, so before I do that, if that is the case, then in whose name are we going? Since we have the 12 tribes of Israel, their names already there, Judah, Joseph, and the rest. In which name are we going?
What tribe are you? Judah.
Come again?
The majority of people, you have Judah here and Gad, the Gad tribe. That's Gad.
In Africa?
Here in Ghana.
In Ghana.
Yep.
You have the Ashanti is Judah.
Okay.
Ga is Gad. And what was the Ewe?
The Airway people, that's Judah.
So that's who you are. And there's others that fit in these 12 tribes. So there's no Catholic.
The Ashantis, the ASHANTIs, they are all from the
12 tribes
of Judah.
I got a scripture for you.
Right.
Joshua 15, verse 20. This is the inheritance of the tribe of the children of Judah according to their families. Skip down to verse 42. Libnah and Ether and Ashan.
Ashan is where Ashanti comes from. That was one of the tribes of Judah, one of their cities.
Okay.
Your pastors have taught you nothing but lies here in Ghana. Lie after lie after lie. We're the prophets and they're not. You understand?
I understand. All right, so let me translate to our listeners out there. Okay. Enti sisi idea, baby ya drew so no ene say ye kohwe Nyankopon ahenni na ewo asase we su na. Eye epon kese bi a ewo ho no ma ya chrochro Israel busuafo ni din ni nyina ye den ewo so. Enti ye wo Judah busua no wo ho ye wo Gad busua no wo ho ye wo all the 12 tribes of Israel no omudin wo ho. Na eno ene ebefa so de akọ heaven. Nemom enya asori a wokọ say me Roman ni me Presby ni me Assemblies of God ni anase asori bi a wokọ na bekọ Nyankopon anim say Nyankopon me Presby ni ma me nkọ gate mi da bi. Nemom ye tribe na wo mu no abusua na wo mu no ena obefa so de akọ. Ena me say o me say enti se ye baga na ha say na ye no tribe na ye wo mu. Ena o me say asantefo ene ahebefo ye nyina ye wo the tribe of Judah emu. And it's all having honoma through the tribe of Judah that you go through that gate and not your church as a Presbyterian or a Catholic or any other denomination.